One of these AI app builders was acquired for $80 million just 6 months after launch. Another one is so good at design that most people don't even realize it can't build a full app on its own. I tested all 5 of the biggest AI app builders to find out which one is actually worth using, and the results genuinely surprised me. Let's start with the fastest AI app builder I tested, Bolt.new. You type what you want and it's already building right in your browser. No setup. Ideas turned into working prototypes in minutes. That speed is Bolt's whole identity, the catch. Speed comes at the cost of polish. As projects grow, you will often find yourself cleaning up what it builds rather than just shipping it. Great for validating an idea fast, not built to be your final product. Bolt.new is your pick if you are a beginner or student who just wants to see an idea come to life today. But what if you wanted a tool that skipped the setup entirely and handled everything for you? That one surprised me the most. That tool is Base44 and its story alone is worth knowing. It started as a solo founder's side project with no outside funding. 6 months later, Wix bought it for around $80 million. That's the kind of validation most startups never get. What makes it stand out is that it handles everything in one place. Interface, database, hosting from a single description. No juggling separate services. For someone who has never built an app before, that's huge. The trade-off shows up later, not at the start. As your app gets more complex, you will hit a ceiling. Customization and fine control aren't really what this tool is built for. It's also worth knowing you are fairly locked into their platform if you ever want to move your project elsewhere. If your goal is a fast MVP or an internal tool with zero technical setup, Base44 is hard to beat. Now here is a tool that does the opposite of handle everything. It focuses on doing just one thing exceptionally well.
This is probably the most misunderstood tool on this list, V0. A lot of people assume it's a full app builder. V0 is built to generate stunning React and Next.js interfaces, describe a screen, and it hands you something that looks genuinely professional in seconds. Here is the catch that trips people up. It only builds the front end. No database, no authentication, no backend logic. If you are a designer or front-end developer who wants a polished look without handing code every pixel, this is one of the best tools out there for that job specifically. But if you want to go from idea to complete working app with the least effort possible, the next tool does that better than anything else on this list.
That tool is Lovable, and if someone brand new to app building asks me where to start, this is usually my answer. Unlike V0, it doesn't stop at the interface. Describe your idea, refine it through conversation, and it builds a real working product alongside you. It's closer to a development partner than a design tool. It's not magic though. As your app grows, you still need to review what it builds. AI speeds up development. It doesn't replace testing or good judgment. And once you are past MVP stage, you may still need real technical help to harden it for production. If you are an entrepreneur, freelancer, or beginner who wants a working MVP without getting buried in setup, Lovable is one of the strongest starting points available right now. But if what you actually want is full control over the entire build process, not just the app, but how it's built, there is one tool built exactly for that. That's Replit Agent, the closest thing here to having an actual developer working next to you. It's not just answering a UI or a quick prototype. It's built for full applications, real backend control, and it keeps up as your project gets more serious. This is the one tool on the list built to grow with you long term, not just to get started. The trade-off is real though. More power means more to learn. If you have never built anything before, expect a steeper curve here than with Lovable or Base44. Replit Agent is built for developers, technical founders, or anyone planning something bigger than a weekend project. So now you have seen all 5 tools, but choosing the right one isn't as obvious as it seems. Quick recap, one line each. Total beginner, want it simple, Lovable. Need speed to test an idea fast, Bolt.new. All you need is a great looking UI, V0. Want zero setup, everything handled for you, Base44. Build something serious long term, Replit Agent. Here is the one thing worth remembering about all of that. The best tool isn't the one with the most features, it's the one that matches where you actually are right now. A beginner doesn't need the most powerful platform. A developer usually doesn't need the simplest one. Picking correctly from the start saves you hours of frustration later. So here is my real question for you. Knowing what each of these tools actually does now, which one matches your project? Drop it in the comment below. I read everyone. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. Faisal. Every week I test the newest AI tools so you don't need to waste time figuring them out yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.